Lightweight, weighs less than liquid fills and thorn-resistant tubes. Easy installation, no gooey mess. Absolutely, positively, will not cause tire or tube to damage or loosen spokes. Eco-friendly and reusable from bike to bike and biodegradable when disposed. Made of durable, lightweight urethane, Mr.Tuffy provides a protective layer between the outer tire and inner tube. Urethane has a property which makes it very elastic. When a thorn or piece of glass attempts to penetrate the Mr.Tuffy liner, it comes up against a surface that is both hard and elastic. The object pushes against the surface, which gives way while resisting initial penetration. Top reviews from the United States. Protects inner tube from thorns. One thorn can disable your bike and ruin your day. After only my second ride in my new hybrid bike and fourth patch job, I had to do something. I had originally planned to go tubeless but instead opted for this Mr.Tuffy liners. 2 months later, I am so glad I did. I've since run over a nest of thorns and Mr.Tuffy's just laughs at it. Every time I pick out a thorn I think, that would have been another patch job, and look how much time and dollar these liners have saved me. Now I don't have flat tire anxiety every time I go out. Here's a pro tip. If you lightly dust the liners with baby powder, it'll make installation so much easier. Definitely recommended, 5 stars.